Hello, Balsam Bashing here, and just like you, I am not allowed to look at the eclipse. So I'm going to send the drone up in the air and see what it can see with a special filter on it. Away she goes. I'm not here alone though, the entire family's here. It's a really terrible photo, the sun's terrible for it. It's really hard not to look at the sun. Anyway, should we look at the drone? I promised executive producer wife that we'd look at the drone, so let's see what it's got. Okay, this filter is pretty heavy. We're looking away from the sun still. You're not even allowed any lens on any camera to look at the sun for a prolonged period of time. It'll absolutely wreck it. Let's go for it. Okay, this filter is pretty heavy, but yep, as suspected, I can see absolutely nothing. Oh, I changed the ISO. That's looking quite a lot better. One thing that's actually really nice is how many people have come out to see it tonight. The thing is, we've never been able to look at the eclipse. Humans have never had that technology until these glasses were invented. And now still, without those glasses, apparently they run out. All I've got is the drone here. So we've still got about 15 minutes left. I'm going to take the drone down, give it a little rest. 7:10, that's what they said. Okay, we just checked, it's really nearly there, so I'm going to send the drone back up, see what it looks like. I've got no idea how this is going to go. Small technical malfunction, but I think we're back on, hopefully. It's getting weird. Everything looks grey. Okay, we got it. Here she is, everyone. Oh, it looks dark. That's a lot of filter. Sheepy, don't worry. Oh, wow. I mean, it looks weird. It doesn't look like an eclipse, exactly. Sheepy's confused, definitely. I'm going to reduce the shutter speed so that we can see a little bit better. That's a bit better. Oh, look at that. We were supposed to get 97% coverage here, it said. It doesn't look like that to me. I just think it's the lens not capturing it right. I'm just going to click reduce shutter speed until it hits the max. Do you want to come and see this? Quickly. Here we go. Look at that. Should we zoom?
Okay. Cool.
That's not bad, is it? Okay, you're not supposed to have this pointing at the sun, so let's... Cool.
Nice.
That's amazing. Do you want to have one more look? Whoa!
Nice.
Well done, drone. Not bad effort. If I've destroyed the drone, I'm really sorry.
I will sleep.
It's coming out of my pay,
Yes, it is. Yeah,
which is 0. Oh, Eclipse. Eclipse. Look at that. That's amazing. I'm going to take the shutter speed back down. and then really quickly bring the drone back to safety. Look at that, as you bring the shutter speed down. Bearing in mind I've got a pretty heavy ND filter on this. Let's zoom out. That's what it looks like that. We are on 1/100th of a second shutter speed right now. Let's go back to a 50th. That's what it looks like. Compare that and that. Okay, that's enough drone. Let's get it down. Don't want to break it. Turn your lens away. Good job, buddy. That got pretty dark. It looks darker here because the sun has gone behind the trees, but this is roughly how dark it is. And now it's getting brighter. That was pretty amazing. Would you agree?
I agree.
She agrees.